Neuralink. What is it? Neuralink is a device that will first be used to help every single human being to do simple tasks, such as using an iPhone and making mouse clicks on the computer. Technically, to be able to let the human do simple tasks without them having to physically be in front of a phone or computer. Now, this is a plan that is being implemented by Elon Musk. Is it something that would change the world? Yes. In my opinion, it will. Now, let's imagine a world without computers or technically any device that you use your fingers and scroll through any social media, anything like that. Okay? Imagine a world where you wake up, you get ready for the day, and you go outside and you look at nature, right? And say you just saw a bird that flew past your eye, and you knew the species of bird, and it just looks beautiful, right? With Neuralink, you could go back into your memories and share that type of memory or that time with any other person. Okay, let's make it a little bit more simple. Okay, let's make it to where you understand. So, say you wanted to talk to your friend or communicate to your friend when they should be picking you up and when y'all should go back home and just watch a movie, right? With Neuralink, you'll be able to communicate with them. You'll be able to contact them just by thinking of their names and being able to call or even talk or video chat with that person. You won't need an iPhone. You won't need a Samsung or an Android. You won't need anything like that because it's all seamlessly in your head. You won't have to use your hands or anything to contact the person. So you won't have to worry about losing your phone or having to worry about network or anything like that because it all comes from your head. So in this world, you don't have to worry about if your video gonna work because your internet is slow because everything comes from your head. So you'll be able to communicate with somebody across the state, even across the country for their birthday and be able to video chat with them just through the mind, through Neuralink. And Neuralink makes it more simple. It makes it more simple. But as of today, we have everything at our fingertips. We have phones, computers, tablets. We have all that right now, and it is hard to imagine being able to do everything just by the knowledge or the mind of the person, and it being processed through Neuralink. Now, I didn't tell you how it will work. So for Neuralink, there will be a chip, okay, that's gonna be in your head. Now I understand, how's a chip gonna be in your head unless it's gonna be implanted in you? But would you feel pain if that's in your body? Well, we won't know because it haven't been done yet. It's in a planning phase, okay? But instead of thinking of the disadvantage, think about the advantages that would have for you though. You'll be able to you can easily change the thermostat in your house easily just with your mind and be able to just sit down and not have to get up and change it. You can be sitting down watching a movie and you're at the climax and then it's cold. What would you do? You could just easily change it through your mind. Now, honestly, this seems like it's functional because every day you walk around with your friends, your family, having a good time. You know, recording things on your phone, recording videos on your phone of funny moments, of the time that you had with the people that you love most. But the thing is, how will everybody be able to transition through the days and the times of this future technology? How will everybody move from having phones to a world with Neuralink? It's kind of seems like I'm daydreaming. Maybe I'm daydreaming, and maybe I'm not. But if I am daydreaming, it does seem like a good dream. It doesn't seem like a nightmare. Now, as of today, this is just imagination. This is just the mind working and giving you an image that you're thinking about. It's just you thinking about how you want the future would be, or what you think the future is going to be. Will the future end up being like this, or will the future not? I mean, I hope it will, because it will change a lot. From people being disabled, they'll be able to do things that they wasn't able to do with the accident or their situation. Like, the whole world will be able to change. People are able to be there with others no matter how hard their situation is in life. But you gotta think about it. Like, is it charged? Like, do you have to do anything to like charge it? Like, how's the power? Like, is there a power to it, or is it just something where you can connect to your brain, automatically connected? You don't have to worry about trying to connect with anything. Will it automatically be connected? You don't have to do any other process to connect it, or have power, or even have to charge up the device. Well, honestly, we won't know. I'm gonna be honest, we won't know. But we see cars and electric cars, robots, AIs coming more faster, more rapidly, changing every single day into a future of technology world. It does seem like it's going to change the world for good, but then also it's going to be bad on top of it. But with Neuralink, I think it's going to be something that's going to change the world. But I might be dreaming. This is probably just another dream that I had, but daydreaming or not, if it does come to fruition, if it does come to life, it will be amazing. I honestly hope that you're able to see that, and that you understand that with Neuralink, everything that you do, everything would be changed in some way. Everything will be changed in some way. And as of today, we all use devices. Devices are always part of our lives. We use devices every single day. Just imagine not having to do that, not having no devices. You don't have computers sitting everywhere. You don't have the phone sitting everywhere. You don't have to worry about losing your phone. You are the phone. You are the computer. And you're able to connect with the internet just through you. Well, I guess it's just a nice dream. I guess it's just something that I thought of. I didn't think of it. Just kidding. But I'm just hoping that if this does happen, in a few years, that it actually changes a lot of people's situations. Now, thank you for coming to the world, or the realm, of Encrypt and Decrypt. And I'll see you later. Bye.